two suspects in the kidnapping of a 23-year-old businesswoman have been freed on a bond of 1 million shillings or 500,000 shillings each. Hafsa Abdi Ahmed and Jackson Njogu Wanjiru were charged with 5 counts of assault, abduction, conspiring to commit a felony, disabling and stealing from Hafsa Luqman. They denied the charges and the state filed an application to deny them bond on grounds they did not have a fixed place of abode and were likely to abscond, if released. In a ruling read by Makadara Principal Magistrate Marissa Apondo, Chief Magistrate Heston Nayagar said there was no compelling reason by the state to deny the two bond. He further warned the accused against contacting the complainant or any witnesses directly or indirectly. Earlier on, the court heard that the duo with others not before court abducted Hafsa at Kayole Junction and confined her in a house in Matapeni area in Kayole between June 15 and June 20. The two are accused of conspiring to abduct Hafsa and stealing from her bank accounts a total of 615,000 shillings during the period. On the third account, they are accused of choking, suffocating, strangling and feeding her with sawdust, covering her mouth with a tape and tying her hands with manila rope and blindfolding her to render her incapable of resistance. The two were further charged with stealing Hafsa's iPhone, jewelry, and cash from her M-Pesa account, all totaling to 335,000 shillings. They are also accused of assault. Hafsa was lured into a lucrative watermelon business before she was abducted. She had been confined in a house not far from the police station. She was forced into an empty water tank where she was tortured as the suspects demanded 5 million. Abdi's counsel Omari had objected detectives' application to have the accused detained and denied bond, saying there were no compelling reasons to show they would abscond court. The fact that Abdi is of Somali tribe with Kenyan parents should not make her less of a citizen. She is entitled to enjoy the rights that a Kenyan citizen enjoys. No tangible evidence showing that the accused persons are an imminent danger to the public. They retain the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty. That cannot be assumed just because the case has received a lot of attention, ruling read in part. The court further directed the accused to be reporting to the investigating officer every 4 nights at dates to be agreed on until further notice.